Oh boys, inwood is cocked. I should have got the shot, but I cut open the plastic in the ceiling where the water was leaking. I poured out and stuff. That would have been a good shot, but I was already doing it and beg my pardon. But anyways, just got my pump going again. Drain the gorge a little bit. Gonna try to get some gravel spread out. I gotta mow the lawn today, so I'm gonna extract some fuels. I got my fuel extraction rig all rip-roaring, ready to go. We took the box off this truck and it was just into a running condition on not too many words ago, so chances are the fuel in it be semi-decent anyway. Well, that's clean. Holy! That's like the sunroof drain. It's gotta be. Ouch. Ow. Ow. I had my fat part of my hand over top of the end of the chisel. It's starting to turn purple. That's how you know. That's how you know right there, boys. Harvesting a little more grass. A little more grass harvest. Good stuff. Look at that lawnmower. Man, that's a nice lawnmower. Holy shit. I wouldn't want anybody looking at it, looking onto it, like Santasing it, if you will. That would be terrible. Well, I go through all that to friggin' get gas in the friggin' tractor and different things. I'm like, oh yeah, free gas. I mean, it tore the cable out of it too. Whoa, shnikey. The cable's friggin' dicked. I like hit a piece of wood, I guess that was right there. Shredded her up, sent chunks everwards. But yeah, it looks as though my good tractor Nelson game. That's all she took to just bust the shit out of her. Heavy duty deck. Son of a bitch. That was my good mower too. All it took was one unsuspecting hunk of wood. I don't even know what it was. Piece of firewood looks like. That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. That's great. Didn't get a full circle. Oh no, yeah, no. I just made a full circle. Come in here, went around there, went around there, went around there, hit the piece of wood right there. And then she started squealing and smoking like a hare. Don't really have time for this bullshit anyways, but like, you know, really kind of has to be done. How you doing?
Oh, not too bad, Dave. Okay. How's things?
Not too bad. You come for the seats, did you?
Oh yeah.
Right on. Yeah.
Hopefully we don't get any rain for a while.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. I'll be able to just go right up the middle. Right up the middle. Oh, lots of fucking air. Holy shit. Perfect.
You think they'll fit in on my back seat?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe 2 in the back seat, 2 in the trunk.
So can I send you a EFT?
Cash is good.
Just one last question. They'll fit on my car?
Oh, I don't know. Same car?
It's good, 235, 235.
Thank you.
Bad news sending me next door.
Why? What happened?
Huh?
Bad news next door.
Yeah, it was bad news for you sending me there.
Why? What happened?
I bought myself rabbit meat.
Rabbit meat? Holy.
Of course, I'm taking the label off. My wife is vegan.
Tell her it's carrots.
And then I bought some of these fresh buns and that cheese and garlic buns too.
Oh, yeah.
And that I'm gonna eat before I get home.
Yeah, suck her back.
I almost made a stupid mistake.
Well, what?
My winter tires is 18 inch
Oh, yeah?
and I wanted to put it on this.
Oh, yeah.
So they would not fit.
Nope.
So can I give you $20 for your effort?
Sure.
Forgive me, I'm being curious.
What's up?
Is that like a GoPro?
Yep.
Because you can never be too.
Look at Tim Bosma. You know Tim Bosma?
Yeah. I know.
He was out in like Hamilton, Guelph area, and that kid Millard, Dylan Millard, his dad owned the airport out in Waterloo, and he murdered his dad, and he murdered his girlfriend, and then he murdered this Tim Bosma guy who had a truck like mine. He was selling it on Kijiji, and he went there to test drive it, and he took him with him, shot him, burned him in this friggin' incinerator, and then like got, you know, busted, and then he got busted for all the murders and stuff. He was just loaded. Like, he had this giant airport that his dad was running this airport, so he shut it down to put all his toys in. They were going around stealing construction equipment and putting it at this place, you know what I mean? Like, it was just a huge, like an airport. It was for storing planes in and shit, right? So it was just a massive building, and yeah, selling a truck on Kijiji got him killed.
Hey.
Never know.
Hey. Well, at least I got a nice Sunday afternoon drive out of it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chris.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good day. Well, I'm a big dumb goof. Got 3/4 inch bolts. Got 11/16 holes. So if you get 5/8 snapped it, which is awesome. You definitely want to use 5/8 on a hoist, right? But yeah, so I don't know. I'll have to. I mean, it's probably easier to just get 5/8 bolts and a new drill bit. We can cut the holes in the bottom of that, so the 3/4 fit's going to be a pain in the dick probably. But I need to cheat. So here's a good one for you, boys. See this truck? Just freaking minty tits. Guy's selling it. Get here. Look at this thing. Yeah, nice. Look at this thing. Full of garbage. Box is completely rusted out and dicked. Holy shit, this guy is a f***ing idiot. How you doing?
You want me to move these 2 cars, man?
No, it's cool. It's cool, thanks, Sal.
5 years working on my dream of building Burger Rebellion, and now I'm ready to help you with your real estate dreams. Visit chrislewisrealty.com and let's get moving.
Hi, this is Lisa Oven with